Today we're reviewing stock number 168517 on a 2016 GMC Yukon Denali, and our exterior color is iridium. Interior options include smart key access, power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, wood grain trim, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrap upholstery, sunroof, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, heads-up display, traction control, parking assist controls, retractable running board controls, lane departure warning, power adjustable foot pedals, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision detection and heated steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, wireless charging pad, rear hatch controls, garage door opener, sunroof controls, OnStar 4G LTE with electrochromatic mirror, CD AM/FM radio with auxiliary, dual zone climate controlled AC, heated seats, cooled seats, and push button start. Our interior color is black. Moving on to exterior features, we have running boards, chrome alloy rims, rear parking assist, backup camera, remote trunk release, power hatch, cargo cover, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, cup holders, pass-through seating, rear climate controls, heated seats. You can fold the seats down to get to a third row seating. Once again, we're viewing stock number 168517 on a 2016 GMC Yukon Denali, and our exterior color is iridium.